Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. This is me carrying on with my Mark II 1979 Escort panel van. Driver side door, which is inside here. Okay, let me just take it out and we'll carry on where we left off. Okay, so in the last video I ended off when I finished off this corner. It's actually still looking okay. And I grinded all of this here, where I actually exposed some more pit holes there, there, and there, and all of this sheet metal here that I must repair. But I think my first port of call is I'm going to fabricate this corner here, and because once this corner is fabricated, let's say till about here, this is a relatively straightforward piece. It's just like a straight piece of steel here with a bend. So this is all the most fabrication work here. This is drain holes here, factory drain holes. I'll probably just draw that. I'm obviously keeping there because that was untouched on that end. I'll still decide here, this is corroded a little bit here, so I'll probably just drill a few holes here for drainage. But yeah, let's start there. Okay, so I put this on a slight hold. I think I'm going to tackle this section first here. Yeah, and also before the big guns come out, let's do the intro. Enjoy this video. Yeah, and before I put any heat here, I'm just remove this. Okay, I think I'm going to just try this front section here. I'll probably have to cut this here with a grinder first, and then heat this up, and then I'm just going to try this front section here just to see how it works. Because I just done this edge here, I just cut that and heated this section up. And I pried it with a screwdriver, and that is what happened. Okay, so as you can see, I lifted that whole lip up over there, all the way down to this side here. So I'll obviously cut this off this side. So I don't know if I've done the right thing. If this is normally how it's done, I don't know. If I look at the door, there is some distortion there, but I'll probably have to panel beat that straight once the door's on to get it lined up with the bottom sill. So I don't think I'll be bothered too much about this distortion, this little wave at the bottom. I think that would have happened with any welding I would have done here. So I lifted up this corner so they can see the corroded section that was inside the lip and all of that. Okay, I'm going to take this section out now. And while I got the gas here, I'm actually going to gas weld these holes closed here. Alright, so I used the pointy object and I found some more holes here, so I just pierced it all through. And I'm going to gas weld them up now. Okay, so all that holes are welded as you saw there. You can see all the way down there, they all welded up right to that edge. So this makes it nice and strong, and the heat kills the rust on the inside. So yeah, that's all done. This must just now be grinded down, which I'm not going to do right now. I've got bigger fish to fry, and we'll start on this thing. Right, that's off. You can see I cut it just above that little crease there. There's actually a crease that runs there. And this is what was revealed. Doesn't actually look too bad inside here. I thought it would be worse, but it's not too bad. So I'll be replacing this whole section here. Something like that. Yeah. I'll clean up this rust here. And then afterwards I'll tackle this corner. Like I said earlier, I just put a hold on this area until this section is done. This section here was a little bit of a nightmare to cut out, because if I had to cut straight, obviously it means I had to cut through all of this here, which I wasn't prepared to do. So I'll just cut at an angle, and I can always put a patch on here and weld that close. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so I just put some rust converter in here. There and at the bottom there. Okay, I'm going to start cutting this, fabricating this section. Okay, so this was the piece that I cut out. This was the piece that I fabricated to go in there. I got the bin that will go into the outer skin. I got that crease. You can see the crease there, same as the crease in there. Let's see if you can see it better from this side. Well, I don't know if you can see the crease there, but there's a crease there, same like this one, but this one's obviously been flattened a little bit. So let's go see how this fits in the door. Okay, so this obviously goes in here. So we'll go something like that. Let's go a little bit up. It's falling around now because I actually need two hands because I'm holding the camera with the one hand, but that will go in like that. I'm going to tack it in there. That's underneath here now. You can see this is a bit lower here, but the skin obviously dropped as well because you can see there's a lot of play in the skin there. So I'm actually going to tack this to this door first and then bring the skin up to that. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, I put a few more tacks. You can see the gaps are nice and closed now. So that follows that contour. So I'm going to just put two more here. Then I'm going to try to line this thing up so that it can join this bend, this flange thing here. Okay, so I'm going to leave that section as it is like that. Now I'm going to start in this corner. Alright, so this is what I came out with. This is in the making saw. Those slots is all that I need to cut to get the bends and to manipulate the steel. I'll fill all that up with welding. Then I'll put some patches there, you know, in all the places that's open, and build things up. But yeah, well, this is my impression of how this corner should be. If I do that, it's kind of running in line, as you can see there. Okay, I'm gonna finish this corner off now, and then we'll see the end result. Okay, so this is how this corner came out. And see, I got it to slope downwards. I don't know if you can actually see it. And I got that curve going around there, and it joins over there. So okay, this is just my take on how this corner was from factory. Could be totally mistaken, but anyway, that's how I did it. And then obviously down here I just put an odd tack on each one. I'm still bend all of this over. I'm giving it a tack because there's no more strength in this original outer skin. There's no more strength there, so I'm just giving this tacks here. My next thing is I'm going to weld all of this here, and then grind all of this holes that I brazed, that I gas welded close. And I'm going to close this gaps here, weld all of that, then give everything a grind, and then I'm going to drill my holes for water, my drainage holes. I'll put like 2 there and 2 there. Alright, let me carry on. Okay guys, as you saw now, I just drilled these drain holes here. This is obviously the standard one, as I said, slotted, but I'm not too bothered with the slotting. So yeah, this is the door done. There are some little imperfections, but nothing that a bit of body filler can't cover. But this is the door. Complete. Didn't come out too bad. So look like the edges are all nice. Okay. One down. Okay, that's me done with this door, guys. There's one more door to go. Thank goodness it's not a 4-door. And my next project, my next job on the car would be the A pillar. That's relatively corroded. I think I showed in one of my past videos, if I can recall. But it's going to be a challenge, but I'm up to it. Something that I must do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you wish. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And hit the notification bell not to miss out on any more episodes of me working on this car. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers for now.